and then hired a bunch of other people who went to the school to work for her, to do all the tutoring, and stayed at home in bed, made a lot of money. I'm serious. Don't, true? True. And then got involved with the University of Wisconsin, and she has a full-time job at the University of Wisconsin. Why is she in New York, right? Because she does everything from her bed. She's like, da da da, do this, do that, the other thing, do that, that. So she's like on Snapchat 24 hours a day. But she's also like live streaming to the University of Wisconsin, just telling them what to do. Basically, just a math genius, right? Okay, there you go. And then she opened up another company, an LLC, up in Albany, a whole thing, big shot, big deal, right? Anyway, but she was part of the Leadership Academy. The person that I mentioned yesterday was her cousin, Samantha. We were both at the swearing-in ceremony when she got sworn in. Diplomat for Indonesia, the United States. What else? What else can I say about you?
What do you mean? I went to City College after.
All right, yeah. She got a bachelor's degree from City College, master's degree from NYU master's degree, and she's going for a PhD now. At NYU. She's living in Albany, and I said, "Are you going to travel back and forth?" She said, "No, I'm going to do it from home in my bed, my pajamas, everything." I mean, I swear to God. So here, this is the genius. She can tell you, all the stuff. She's friends with me on Facebook, so if you become friends with me on Facebook, you can check her out. She's going to run out of here because she has a meeting up in Albany today at 5:30. But I wanted to schmooze her. And she has friends who are from the Academy who've done great as well.
Yeah, that is great. The networking that I got here, the skills and all that.
I know, good for her.
It was a real good start to my whole career. It was.
But she came to visit me. And so, yeah,
You just
this
have
is
to
Leanne,
want
her
it.
cards.
just
So you
have
can
to
look her
want
up,
it.
check
That's
her
it.
out on Facebook. And all that kind of stuff.
Oh, man, I'm going to